Hi everyone, I'm Marlon, and what I'm going to do is I have a Gitty Shelf Blaster amplifier that I built from a kit. I'm going to show you how I built it, and then after that I'm going to show you what it sounds like.
This is an overview of the Gitty Bookshelf Blaster Do-It-Yourself Guitar Amplifier Kit and its components. The wooden case was assembled and glued using wood glue. The wooden case was sanded with sanding blocks. Four coats of a dark walnut stain were applied to the case. Five coats of TRU-OL finish were applied to the wooden case. The wires were soldered to the components, red wires to positive terminals and black wires to negative terminals. The speaker was screwed into the case. The volume switch and the input jack were fastened into place. The LED was glued into place above the speaker. The battery wires were cut and soldered to the battery box, then the battery box was screwed into place. The amplifier was tested for function using an electric guitar. The volume knob was installed and the back plate was put into place on the amplifier. This is how the finished amplifier looks.
So this is how the Gitty Shelf Blaster amplifier sounds. I'm using a Yamaha Acoustic Electric, and here it goes. Anyway, that's the way that the Gitty Shelf Blaster amplifier sounds. Please hit a like button and also subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.